Okay, pause, copy, try. Pause, copy, try. Pause, copy, try. Okay, so this is indeed of the form 0 over 0, meaning the numerator goes to 0 when x goes to 2, and likewise for the denominator. Okay, so I can use L'Hopital's rule, and I get 3x squared over 1, which is limit just 3x squared, which is 3, 2 squared, 12. Et voila. So pause and copy. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. Okay. Next one. Okay, let's check. Ln of 1 is 0. And cosine of 1 is, cosine of 0 is 1. So this is indeed of the appropriate form, or I should say a form that allows me to use L'Hopital's rule. Okay. Ooh, this one's going to be a bit, give myself some space here. So when I differentiate the numerator, I get this thing. And for the denominator, I get minus sine x. Okay, so I should take a second and simplify. I got fraction divided by a number. I should obtain just a fraction. Okay, now I will evaluate what's happening. So I plug in 0 again. Certainly get 0 on top. And sine of 0 is 0, so I still have 0. Oops. I still have 0 over 0 here. Okay, so I can do L'Hopital's rule a second time, which will sometimes be useful. So I do that. On the bottom, I have a product rule. What is that? I'm going to go fg prime is f prime g plus fg prime. So what do I get? 2x sine x plus x squared plus 1 cosine of x. Now what's happening here? On top I have minus 2. Okay, so not going to use L'Hopital's rule again. On the bottom, 0. 0, this is 1, this is 1. So I get minus 2 over 1. Which is 1. Just minus 2 for my answer. Okay, pause and copy. Pause and copy. Exercise, rather. What should you do? Limit x goes to infinity, x cubed plus x plus 1 all over e to the 2x plus x squared. So pause, copy, try. Pause, copy, try. What do we get here? Well, we have infinity over infinity. So we do L'Hopital's rule. On top, we get 3x squared plus 1. Excuse me. On the bottom, we get 2e to the 2x plus 2x. This is still infinity over infinity. So I go and do L'Hopital again. 6x over 4 e to 2x plus 2. Still infinity over infinity. Oh boy. Six over 8 e to the 2x, which is now 6 over infinity. So that's no longer confusing. That's just 0. Okay, pause and copy all that down. Last example for this section. X goes to pi plus cosine over x minus pi. Pi plus pi plus pi plus. Okay, this is another one of these be careful things. Numerator is approaching, well, cosine of pi, minus 1. So it's minus 1 on top and 0 on the bottom. So not using L'Hopital's rule. What am I using? Well, this guy here, is that 0 plus or 0 minus? Well, because this is a plus, that makes this a plus, right? Okay, so this is not, I mean, I'm not saying it's easy, but it's not a what's called an indeterminate form. What you have is minus 1, which is not doing anything special. But the 0 plus in the bottom is making the fraction overall very large. Ends up being negative because of negative 1. But I get minus infinity here.